clock of time, but it's still moving by with no control of it. Just seems so hard to leave. This part's supposed to be the easiest thing. Oh no, I don't know where to go, but I know this. I can't stay here no more. I got to leave. Whoa, I've been searching to find me a way out of here. I've been searching blind, but deep in my mind I see it clear. The route to take me from up this turn left, keep straight, make a right, trying to find a way out of here. There's got to be a way. I got a map to guide me to a place that I thought I would never find. But it's somewhere not far, 'cause it's right in my heart. Been near the whole time. I don't know where to go, but I know this. I can't stay here no more. I got to leave. Whoa, I've been searching to find me a way out of here. I've been searching blind, but deep in my mind I see it clear. The route to take me from up this turn left, keep straight, make a right, trying to find a way out of here. There's got to be a way. When the problems I face won't go away, still I stand strong. When the pressure's too much, I will stand up and brush it off. I've been searching to find me a way out of here. I've been searching blind, but deep in my mind I see it clear. The route to take me from up this turn left, keep straight, make a right, trying to find a way out of here. There's gotta be a way.